And I know you guys have talked about AI probably quite a bit during camp. You guys have heard it all. You know that humans want to hear from humans. We know that video is one of the most human ways that you can communicate with people. What I've been seeing a lot of is people using ChatGPT to write their scripts. And if you really think about it, something that I think I've been reckoning with over the past few weeks, few months, is that ChatGPT is really just a better version of Google. Like I can ask very specific questions to ChatGPT that I can't ask to Google because Google will make me go look at 10 different articles. And so when we're writing scripts on ChatGPT, they're just not as quality because it's what are you saying that your prospect can't just find on their own. So we think about like on LinkedIn, everyone's posting about the M dash debate. No joke. I just had someone ask me to remove an M dash from a piece of advertising copy because they thought it was it looks too ChatGPT-y, I guess, but it wasn't. It was written by a human. So it was just funny. Like everybody is so stressed over what ChatGPT is writing. But I want to say, like, what can you say that your prospect can't search on their own?